Every year, millions of perfectly healthy oak trees are cut down across America. Some because they drop too many leaves, some because they block a view, some because people think it's just another tree. But what if removing one healthy oak doesn't just change your yard? What if it quietly destroys an entire ecosystem you've never even noticed? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will never look at an oak tree the same way again. Right now, songbird populations across North America are quietly collapsing. Pollinators are disappearing. Insect numbers are crashing. Entire local food webs are unraveling, one yard at a time. Most people blame climate change. Others blame pesticides. But almost nobody talks about the real, silent cause hiding in plain sight. The trees disappearing from our neighborhoods. One at a time. One annoying tree at a time. And no tree's disappearance costs us more than the oak. Entomologists consider oak trees the single most valuable tree genus in North America for wildlife. Not the prettiest, not the most popular at the nursery, the most valuable. According to research led by University of Delaware entomologist Doug Tallamy, native oaks can host over 500 species of moths and butterflies that lay their eggs and hatch their caterpillars on oak leaves alone. Some counts run even higher, depending on the region. Compare that to a Norway maple, an imported ornamental tree planted in yards across the country. It supports close to zero. Birds feed on the caterpillars that live in oak canopies. Squirrels and deer feed on the acorns. Foxes and owls feed on the squirrels. Moss and fungi grow in the bark and roots. One tree feeding an entire food web, layer by layer. This isn't just a tree. It's an apartment building, a supermarket, a nursery, for hundreds of species, all at once. Here's something most people don't know. Baby birds don't eat seeds. They can't. Their bodies need protein and fat to grow, and that means insects, specifically caterpillars. Research from Tallamy's team found that a single pair of chickadees needs between 6,000 and 9,000 caterpillars just to raise one clutch of 3 chicks to maturity. Where do all of those caterpillars come from? Oak trees. Take away the oak, and you don't just lose a tree. You take away the nursery that raises next spring's birds. An oak's canopy doesn't just give shade. It actively cools the air around it. Through a broad, dense canopy, a mature oak can lower surrounding temperatures, reduce cooling costs for nearby homes, and hold moisture in the soil beneath it. Something a few small ornamental trees, planted to replace it, simply can't match. People plant 3 decorative trees to replace the one oak they cut down. It's rarely a fair trade. People think trees only grow upward, but the most important part of an oak tree is underground. A mature oak's root system spreads far wider than its canopy, soaking up rainwater, holding soil in place, and filtering pollutants before they reach the water table. Without those roots, rain runs straight off the surface, carrying soil, chemicals, and debris with it. That's how neighborhoods without mature trees end up with more flooding, more erosion, and dirtier runoff after every storm. Oaks are also among the best carbon-storing trees in North America, quietly pulling carbon out of the air and locking it into their trunk, branches, and roots for decades, sometimes centuries. Think about that for a second. A tree planted by someone's grandfather might still be capturing carbon for their great-grandchildren, long after everyone who planted it is gone. That's not a plant, that's a legacy, still working. This is where it all comes together. Owls nesting in the hollows, woodpeckers drilling into the bark, blue jays burying acorns they'll forget, unintentionally planting next year's forest, squirrels racing through the branches, moss and fungi thriving in the shade, butterflies and beetles living out their entire life cycle without ever leaving. While you see one tree, nature sees an entire city. And yet, healthy oaks get removed every single day, usually for the same handful of reasons. Too many leaves to rake, too many acorns on the lawn, too much shade, messy branches, birds and squirrels seen as a nuisance, roots cracking a driveway. The moment that tree comes down, every one of those hidden jobs disappears with it, overnight. To be fair, this isn't a call to never cut down a tree. If an oak is diseased, structurally unstable, or genuinely threatening a home or power line, removal can be the responsible choice. Arborists exist for a reason, but it drops too many leaves isn't one of those reasons. Not even close. That oak tree standing quietly outside has probably been alive longer than you've been alive. It has survived storms, droughts, lightning, generations of families who lived in that same house before you. Every spring, it feeds creatures you'll never even see. Every summer, it cools your neighborhood. Every autumn, it prepares thousands of animals for winter. And every single day, it works silently, without asking for anything in return. The question isn't whether the oak deserves to stay. The question is, how many things quietly disappear the moment it's gone? If this changed the way you look at the tree in your own yard, subscribe, because next time, we're uncovering the hidden life of another tree everyone underestimates.